Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So today's video topic is if you are unable to install your Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system and you are getting this kind of error message, Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. On EFI systems, Windows can only be installed to GPT disk. So I will show you how to fix this error. Basically, you have to convert your hard disk to GPT from MBR. So now cut this error window and cut this from here as well. Then click on yes to quit. Now in this screen, in this Windows installation screen, press Shift key and F10 key together to open your command prompt. So this is your command prompt. Now you have to enter a few commands. So the first command is diskpart. Press enter. Now type the next command, list disk. Press enter. So I have only one hard disk in my laptop. That's why it is showing disk 0. Only one hard disk is showing. So one important thing, in this process, your hard disk data will completely deleted. So if you have any important data in your hard disk, please take the data backup first. Now type the next command, select disk, then select your disk number. So my number is 0. So I will type 0. Then press enter. Now type the next command, clean. Press enter. Now type the final command, convert GPT. Press enter. And you can see diskpart successfully converted the selected disk to GPT format. That's it. Now type exit. Press enter. Now type exit again. Press enter. That's it. So your hard disk is converted from MBR to GPT. Now press install now. Select your Windows 10 version. Click on next. Now click on I accept. Then click on next. Custom. Now my hard disk has been converted to GPT. Select your hard disk. Then click on new. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Now click on next to install your Windows 10. And you can see the issue has been resolved and my installation process has been started. So this is all for the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechFight. Have a nice day.